The Jaintia Students' Union today met Health Minister Ampreen Lingdo and submitted a petition for the Chief Minister asking him to ensure the safety of the Khasi and Jaintia people in Block 1 area. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, JSU General Secretary Trey Borlang Suchen also asked the government to initiate the discussion between Assam and Meghalaya government to resolve the boundary dispute between two states. The group also asked the government to conduct investigation after some groups issued threats in the area.
We got a message from the Block 1 area that some people of Karpi would say self-proclaimed social organization or NGO. They threaten our people from time to time and doing extortion, stopping up people in, I would say, in terms of movement, The border demarcation is going on right now, and we feel that the Block 1 area of that supposedly to belong to the state of Meghalaya, and we wanted the government to take it very seriously and to help out the people of Khasi, Jaintia and Block 1 to retransfer back the Block 1 to the state of Meghalaya.